Whoa! G'day, mateys! WWE legend Bushwhacker Luke here. Adelaide, are you ready to get bushwhacked? Yes! Saturday, October the 6th, I'm marching into the Northern Wolves Soccer Club, Elizabeth East, West Australia, and I'm facing HPW whatever, High Risk Pro Wrestling's champion, Nick Eclipse. Well, Nick, I've wrestled many a champion in my day. Kurt Hennig, Ric Flair, Harley Race, Ultimate Warrior, and the list goes on. But October the 6th, it's just you and me. And you remember, this old dog has got a vicious bite. So I'm taking you to the limit, Nick. So all you folks, come on down to the Northern Wolf Soccer Club, because this is going to be a bloody barn burner. And this guy is going to walk out with his hand raised. Yeah! Whoa! And you too may get a good bushwhacker licking. See you there, folks. Yay!